Alright folks, now it's time for me to tell you about another great teacher, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, the happiest and most peaceful man on the planet. This guy's got more wisdom than an ancient sage and more joy than a child with a new toy. He's a spiritual leader, humanitarian, and founder of the Art of Living Foundation. This man's got the keys to unlock your inner peace and happiness. Now, let me give you the 10 best lessons ever taught by Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Lesson 1. The Power of Breath. Do you ever feel stressed or overwhelmed? Well, let me tell you, the power of breath can help you find peace and calm. Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that the breath is a tool for calming the mind and reducing stress. The solution is to practice deep breathing exercises, such as Sudarshan Kriya, to help you find inner peace and relaxation. Lesson 2. The Importance of Service. Do you feel fulfilled in your life? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar believes that true fulfillment comes from serving others. The solution is to find ways to give back to your community, whether it's through volunteering, donating to charity, or just being kind to others. Service helps us connect with others and gives us a sense of purpose. Lesson 3. The Power of Forgiveness. Are you holding on to anger or resentment? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing and letting go of negative emotions. The solution is to practice forgiveness, whether it's towards others or towards yourself. Forgiveness allows us to move forward and find peace. Lesson 4. The Importance of Meditation. Do you feel disconnected from your inner self? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that meditation is a powerful tool for connecting with your inner self and finding inner peace. The solution is to practice meditation regularly, whether it's through guided meditations, chanting, or just sitting in silence. Meditation allows us to quiet the mind and find stillness within. Lesson 5. The Dangers of Attachment. Are you attached to material possessions or relationships? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that attachment can lead to suffering and disappointment. The solution is to practice detachment, to let go of our attachment to things and people. Detachment allows us to find true happiness and contentment within ourselves. Lesson 6. The Importance of Gratitude. Do you practice gratitude in your life? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that gratitude is a powerful tool for finding happiness and inner peace. The solution is to practice gratitude daily, by expressing gratitude for the people and things in our lives. Gratitude allows us to focus on the positive and find joy in the present moment. Lesson 7. The Power of Laughter. Do you laugh enough in your life? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that laughter is a powerful tool for reducing stress and finding happiness. The solution is to practice laughter yoga, which combines breathing exercises and laughter to promote overall well-being. Laughter allows us to find joy in the present moment and connect with others. Lesson 8. The Importance of Self-Love. Do you love and accept yourself for who you are? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that self-love is crucial for finding inner peace and happiness. The solution is to practice self-love, by treating yourself with kindness and compassion. Self-love allows us to find joy within ourselves and to love others more deeply. Hey you! Want to upgrade your life? Of course you do. Because I'm feeling many people want to deep dive more into these teaching. So I found the best speakers and their best lesson. I've created this free one-page PDF talking about the 33 greatest lessons ever from the greatest philosophers, motivational speakers, and spiritual leaders of our time. But don't take my word for it. Download it now and see for yourself how just one of these lessons is exactly what you needed to hear to totally transform your life today. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Today, if your day to level up. Lesson 9, the power of intention. Do you have a clear intention for your life? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that having a clear intention helps us to focus our energy and manifest our desires. The solution is to set a clear intention for what you want in your life, whether it's a career goal or a personal aspiration. By focusing on your intention and taking inspired action, you can create the life you desire. Lesson 10. The beauty of diversity. Do you appreciate the diversity of people and cultures around you? Sri Sri Ravi Shankar teaches that diversity is a beautiful expression of the human experience. The solution is to celebrate diversity and embrace the unique qualities of each individual and culture. By doing so, we can create a more harmonious and accepting world. That is for the lessons, my friend, and I ran into these two funny stories that will crack you up. In one talk, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar shared a story about a man who was trying to meditate but found it difficult to quiet his mind. The man asked Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, "What should I do if my mind keeps wandering?" Sri Sri Ravi Shankar replied, "Just follow it, and see where it goes." In another talk, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar shared a story about a man who came to him and said, "Guruji, I want to know the meaning of life." Sri Sri Ravi Shankar replied, "Life has no meaning, it is a celebration." The man asked, "But how can I celebrate if I don't know the meaning?" Sri Sri Ravi Shankar replied, "Just celebrate, and the meaning will come." I hope you've enjoyed learning about his wisdom and joy. Remember to incorporate these teachings into your life and spread the love and positivity to those around you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep on laughing and learning. Thanks for watching Legendary Lessons. Here are more similar videos that I've made for you to enjoy to learn more and grow your wisdom. From science to spirituality, from technology to philosophy, we've got you covered. Keep exploring and keep learning, and please share a few words below on what you learned, also how we can make these videos better, or an author you will like to see here.